Thank you so much. I need to see. Okay, DJ, let's play the music. I want to say thank you to Galaxy FM, thank you to Creation Africa, thanks to Southwest Records, and Spennah for hosting us here. What time it is? So, every single last Saturday of the month, we're down here for the beginning car wash next month. I'm promising ladies who come through and register during the month, yeah, and you said I can watch that evening, you win yourself a golden membership. That's for you and 5 people for a full year to come to Spennah Beach, as long as we register and wash, yeah. And as well, you're gonna get all this footage on our Facebook page. That is you simply go down to your search engine and you type Spennah Beach, and then you like the page. Then you can get all the action. Let them know what we do at us. Yeah, okay. But for now, I want to meet the owner of the Pajero and the Kia and all the other cars to come see me just by the sunset and to get your prizes. Team Esco, watching my knee with the best DJ Pizzo and as well DJ Mixer, mash up the nuts. Let go.